Assalamu alaikum, grade 3 students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, this is your mathematics lecture. Open your countdown book 3. There is one more exercise in this unit. It is left. Okay, unit number 2, numbers operations, page number 85. Today I will introduce a new topic to you. That is division. Division is equal sharing or equal grouping of numbers. The number to be divided is called the dividend or dividend. The number which divides is called a divisor. The result of dividing a number is called quotient. If the number is not fully divided, the remaining number is called remainder. These four important values are in division. Okay, now we will revise it again. Dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Look, here is an example. Sarem has a problem. It is easy for Sarem. What he has to do, because he knows his multiplication table. He knows the table of 8. There is a sum. He has to divide 56 by 7. Now he will recall the table of 7. In 7, at the 8th value, 7 into 8 is 56. So we can say that 56 is divided by 7. The answer will be 8. There is one more example. What we have to do, how to you solve it. Sarem writes it down like this. First of all, what he has to do, he writes the quotient, he writes the product of his quotient, then divisor, and then he subtracts the product from the dividend. Then he gets the answer. This is the proper way or a proper method to solve a division. Okay, now the remainder. Look, these are the dividend, divisors, quotient and remainder. Look, here is an example. Adil knows for his table that 6 into 4 is 24. There is nearer to the 26. So remainder is 2 and quotient is 4. Okay. Now dividing two digits. To divide a number by 10, or we have moved the number one column to the right. Look like this. 10 divided by 8 is 80. So it is nearer to 83. Some more examples. We have to divide 43 by 10. 10 fours are 40 minus 3. Remainder is 3 and quotient is 4. One more example. You can see that. The digits on the extreme right will be the remainder. The number is to the left, it will be the quotient. Okay. These are the examples you have to keep practice it. Okay. Now come to the exercise, page number 92. Exercise 2E. First of all, fill in the blanks. Recall the table of 4. 4 into 7 is 28. 9 into 4 is 36. 9 tens are 90. 2 fives are 10. And 9 into 9 is 81. Now, whether the following are true or false. Read it and solve it by yourself. Very easy and very simple. Question number 3. Select the correct answer from the given options. 8 divided by 8 is 1. The quotient of 18 divided by 3. 3 6 are 18. Quotient is 6. If we divide 49 by any number, the answer will be 7. It will be 7. 30 apples were equally divided among 5 boys. Each boy will get divided 5. 6 are 30. 84 divided by 1 is, it's 84. Now the simple and very easy division. Solve the following. Recall the table of 6. 6 sevens are 42. 8 and 2s are 16. 5 into 5 is 25. 4 into 9 is 36. 9 threes are 27. 6 eights are 48. 7 twos are 14. And same as next. Complete question, all these questions on your book and notebook. Question number 4 and 5 are same. Now come to question number 6. This should be done on your notebook. It is same like this, but you have to solve it. Okay. Look, these are the numbers which are nearer to the table's numbers. They are not fully divided. It will remain a remainder or a quotient. Okay. Next. It is also very easy and very simple. What you have to do is you have to solve question number 7 on your books. 51 divided by 10. We can divide 10 into 5 is 50 and remainder is 1. 10 nines are 90 and remainder is 99. 10 90s are 900 and remainder is 99. Same as this, 10 40s are 400 and remainder is 8. 10 8s are 80, no remainder. 10 20s are 200 and 1 is remainder. Fill in the blanks. We have to find the numbers. If we divide 78 by 10, the remainder will be 7. Quotient will be 7 and remainder will be 8. Same as there. What the number we have divided by 10 is equal to 62 and the remainder is 4. You have to find these numbers. Okay, complete the exercise. All these questions should be done on your notebook. Very easy and very simple. Do it by yourself. You can do, look, 1 2 3 4 8 9 10 10 sums are in a question number 9. You can do 5 sums. Here 4, here 4 8, here 5, here 5, here 4. Okay स्टूडेंट्स, आपने क्या करना है, ज़रूरी नहीं तमाम एक्सरसाइज के तमाम पार्ट्स को सॉल्व करें. आप टोटल जैसे अगर 8 हैं तो 4 कर लें, 10 है तो 5 कर लें, ताकि आप लोगों की अच्छी सी प्रैक्टिस हो जाए. कंप्लीट एक्सरसाइज 2E ऑन योर बुक एंड नोटबुक. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, टेक गुड केयर ऑफ़ योर सेल्फ. कीप रिमेंबर मी इन प्रेयर्स. अल्लाह हाफिज़.